Hello to all the awesome peoples out there. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Bhavya. Hi guys, it's been so long since I posted anything here, so I'm back with another video and I thought to make this a little sit down chill journaling type of video. So the theme for this video is that we are going to be creating a lot of journaling spreads for the month of June. So if you guys don't know, I am a June baby and it's my birthday in like few weeks, so I'm super excited. And to make it a little more whimsy and magical, we are gonna be creating a lot of journaling spreads in this video. My idea for this month is to create a lot of journaling spread that will reflect who I am right now in this phase of my life, and also reflect the excitement I have for my birthday. So that is my idea for June's journaling spread. And I'm super excited guys because I finally have time to like journal and all. This year has been crazy busy and now I can finally sit down and journal with you guys. So super excited for that. Now let's start journaling. So for spread number 1, we started with creating the cover page for month of June. I like to separate each month in my journal with help of a cover page. And for this month, honestly, I had no theme in my mind, no inspo. I just wanted to go in it, have fun, and create something that screams me, that screams birthday energy. So I started with sorting out pictures of me that I had left over from past journaling spread. And honestly, I have quite a lot pictures saved by now. And then I put this teal slash pastel color, I don't know what this color exactly is, sheet as a backdrop, and I started creating my journaling spread around it, just putting photos of me and adding stickers that I've collected over the years, and some of the stickers that I have made by my own. And it honestly turned out so cute, and I had so much fun while creating this spread. For the title, instead of just putting June, I decided to make it Bees June because obviously it's my June and it's edition 18 baby. I am turning 18 this year, so it's more special. And this page was honestly like really spontaneous and it was screaming me energy, so I really loved how it turned out at the end. Spread number 2, me before 18. So the whole idea behind this journaling spread is to create something that reflects the person I am before turning 18. So I can look back at it after a year and see how much I've changed this year. I wanted it to be really minimal and I divided it into two pages. So for page 1, I just wanted to write a bunch of stuff. I just wanted to describe who I am right now. So I started with putting the title Me Before 18 and just bunch of cute stickers and kept it minimal because I wanted to handwrite a lot of things. And for page number 2, I decided to create a favorites throughout 17 page, so I can just look back at it and understand the things I loved as a 17-year-old. And I just added four sections: my favorite memory, my favorite quote, my favorite song, and my favorite creator, because these are the four things that really defines who I am or how I was at a certain point in my life, and it turned out really cute. Spread number 3, who I want to be. So now that we have written who are we now, it's time to write what are we aspiring to be this year. So I wanted this page to be like really minimal. So I started with putting a picture of me from when I was like 8 9 years old, and then I just put bunch of hearts around both the pages, just creating a little framework. And then I wrote the title who I want to be, and that is it, because after that I didn't want to show what I'm gonna write on the internet. So this is all you guys are getting for this spread. Last but not the least, spread number 4, a win a day. So I've been seeing people all over my Instagram doing this trend, putting a win a day on their story. It can be anything, anything that made you happy, anything that made you accomplish that day. So I wanted to create something like that for my birthday month. So I just kept it minimal, put some bunch of stickers, and then I added the title, a win a day, and then put the numbers representing each day. And I'm so excited to fill this spread up just with the things that made me happy throughout my birthday month. So guys, that was it for this video. I'll be back with another fun video. See you soon.